All right, I got the MEPEREZ German pruning shears here. These things are pretty nice, and this rubber grip on here feels great. You know, it's got this handle on here, which I like, so you can hold on to it real good. You don't have to worry about dropping it, which I think is a good feature. It can be used right-handed, or it can be used left-handed. It's got the slider on both sides. The slider can actually be tightened down right here. If you take a Phillips head screwdriver and you can tighten that down to keep it from locking on you while you're using it. It has some play in it right here. It's got like a ratchet design on here, so it needs to have some play in it. And this whole thing's riveted together right here. The only screw I can see on here is this one. Super sharp, feels like a good quality blade on here. It cuts through the smaller stuff like it's not even there. Just super easy, super easy. I'm trying to get to a big piece for you. We've done to some larger stuff, really easy. Let me get this guy. Like it's not even there. The way the ratchet works on this, here's the trick to it. So if you just clamp onto this, cut it down, and you let it go all the way back up, you're gonna have to force it down through. But you just press it down, you'll hear it click, or you'll feel it set into place. Let it off a little bit, you hear it click. Do it again, you hear it click, do it again, and it cuts through. And you can see that is a super clean cut on there. It's not gonna cut through these larger things like it is the smaller things. It does cut super easy. You've got maybe smaller hands, arthritis, that kind of thing going on, issues in your hands. Something like this is going to be better than your average standard pruning shears. Easier to use, easy to hold on to. In my opinion, good quality design. MEPEREZ German pruning shears.